Hello YouTube. This message is for all of those wonderful people who attended my first correct sentence structure, communication, parenthesis, syntax, grammar webinar today. Thank you very much. I very much appreciate your conduct, the way you all carried yourselves, the manner in which you asked your questions, with the balance of the honor and the grace, position of peace, neutrality, maintenance of rule one, rule equal. There was no one rude, no one boisterous. Everyone observed the terms and conditions of etiquette, and I am proud and very honored to have been in the same space with you all of you that attended. Now there were two individuals who didn't show up, which it's unfortunate, but it happens, life can happen. I will be sending out the completed, edited version of the webinar to all those who attended and to the two individuals who did not attend so that they too can gain from it. And I don't know when that'll be done, a month or two from now perhaps. But I will also make the webinar available to those who didn't attend for a minimum donation gift, of course, because the value of a thing is what you put into it. What you put in is what you get out. But that's in the future sometime. I'll probably make a website to make that available. I am working on my next webinar, which will be concentrating on parse. And then I'm with the vision of creating a third webinar having to do with syntax. And this is all in the coming 2 or 3 months. So stay tuned to this space for more information on that. And of course, if you're a diehard and you really want to learn this stuff and you're serious about it, you can contact me at the email address jasonmatthewg17@gmail.com and apply for your own confidential workshop. So again, thank you very much to all of the great individuals who attended the webinar. I'm honored to have met you and to gotten to know you a little bit, and thank you for attending my webinar, being a part of it, and really, it's just a sense of gratitude. Thank you very much.